Located in the heart of Toronto, College Park is an iconic landmark that blends various services and retailers. We have chosen to analyze this building structure and its interior conditions for its historic significance and evaluate its success as a multifunctional space in the contemporary context of downtown Toronto. The observations and results of this video address the design issues in relation to how the environment shapes different human behaviors. It proposes design solutions that will help the space serve its intended functions. College Park is located on the southwest block at the intersection of College and Yonge, stretching over to Bay Street. It currently functions as a multi-purpose building consisting of retail, corporate, and residential sectors, while providing a connection to public transit via College Station. The leading services available in this building include Metro, Sobeys, TD Bank, Rexall, College Dental, Winners, Tim Hortons, Dollarama, Service Ontario, and other smaller boutiques. Within the L-shaped structure, the interior is broken down into several wings and paths which can be accessed through many entrances. The many pathways can unintentionally cause undesirable crowding and directionality issues. One of the major issues revolves around wayfinding within the building. Due to the services on different levels with multiple points of entry, confusion is highly probable. College Park is a central structure connected to other destinations, which justifies the need for multiple wings and plenty of signage. Maps and directories are placed at each entrance and are identical, regardless of the orientation of the user. The suspended signs are unclear and affect the user with informational overload. Words are close to one another and are adorned with small symbols which have misleading arrows. Pedestrians stopping abruptly to process these directions create unintentional traffic or obstacles for the passers-by. The focus allocated into understanding unclear signs demands more attentional resources directed at navigating, leaving less cognitive capacity to process the surrounding environment. Under these conditions, people may become subject to increased irritability, aggressiveness, and develop reduced sensitivity to social cues as the demand for attention exceeds their capacity. These concepts draw from the environmental load theory. To resolve these wayfinding complications, consistent signage can be redesigned using specific colors, shapes, fonts, and symbols. Changing the height and placement of the signage in addition to incorporation on the floor would be effective for users that look up and ahead or down as they walk. Differentiating the wings and services in each location may be resolved through transitional flooring, which can be applied in specific patterns towards a destination. As its name and logo implies, College Park strives to achieve a relationship with the natural environment. The exterior courtyard, located on the south end, suggests this goal, but does not maximize this potential. It lacks the expected greenery and aesthetic quality of a natural environment due to inadequate maintenance. The south entrance is used mainly by smokers or dog owners. Despite the placement of benches and public seating, implemented in a similar fashion, the interior moments of College Park are minimal and lackluster with continuous traffic. The design of the interior limits the opportunity for restorative experiences. There appears to be a lack of spaces that allows users to pause and rest. Where seating arrangements do exist, their placement is problematic and undermines the natural elements present in this space. Fixtures are placed under dropped ceilings with artificial lighting rather than using the spaces beneath glass roof structures supplying natural light. The attention restoration theory states that exposure to natural scenes and elements improve and restore cognitive abilities. Maintaining the exterior courtyard is essential for sustaining the relationship between the city and its natural environments. Through continuous care, the park may attract more visitors, embracing its use as a meditative space. More seating options will maximize the space, making it suitable to host future outdoor events and festivities. The same solutions should also be considered for the interior moments. Under naturally lit areas, more seating under the glass roof would provide restorative spaces. The addition of a living green wall would add visual interest and introduce opportunities for cognitive restoration. Additionally, traffic is capable of affecting wayfinding, as observed in the behavioral shift of users as they're exposed to the differences in pace. The service adjacencies are distributed arbitrarily, affecting the traffic and circulation path. The lower level, which consists of the food court, metro, and access to the TTC, houses the busiest circulation route. This affects the environment in the food court as well as the shoppers on the same level, who contrastingly want to enjoy and take their time with their activities. This problem relates to the adaptation theory. evident in the behavior change of non-commuters who inadvertently adapt to the rush and slight aggressiveness of the time-pressured commuters. Giving space and allowing shoppers to enjoy their time leisurely without added pressure from their surroundings is imperative in crafting a healthy and successful retail environment. By adjusting and changing the environment's stimulus through the grouping of similar services in College Park, we can attempt to control the demeanor and pace of crowds, restricting the influence of their opposing behaviors on the other party. Ultimately, we believe College Park will successfully serve its function and benefit the cognitive health of its users by implementing these design proposals.